Hello children, hope you all are fit and fine. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 6 of class 7, that is triangle and its property. Let's introduce what is triangle. Triangle is a closed curve or a closed figure made by 3 line segment. It has 3 sides, 3 vertex and 3 angles. Now let's take any figure of triangle. So suppose this is any triangle A, B and C. As we can see that it has 3 line segment, that is AB, BC and AC. These 3 line segment is also known as sides. So number of side in a triangle is 3. So what are the name of the sides? It is side AB, side BC and last side CA. Okay, and we can see that there are 3 angles in a triangle. Let's name it. Angles is, first angle is angle BAC, second angle is angle ABC and the third angle is angle ACB. These 3 are the angles of this triangle. Now what are the vertices of this triangle is vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So numbers of vertex is also 3. So these are 9 elements of a triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertex. If I'm ask you what is the opposite side of vertex A? From this video we're going to also discuss some interesting point, that if I'm ask you tell me the opposite side to the vertex A, then it is BC. If same way, if I'm ask you the opposite vertex to the side AC, then it is vertex B. If I ask the opposite angle to the side BC, then that angle is angle BAC, or in simple we can say that angle A. And same way, if I'm ask you the opposite vertex to the side AB, then that vertex will be C. These are the some interesting point about the triangle. Now we're going to discuss the classification of a triangle on the basis of their side and angles. Okay, according to the side, there are 3 types of triangle. Same way, according to the angles, there are 3 types of triangles. Now we are going to discuss classification of triangle based on the side. So according to the side, triangles are divided in 3 types. First is scalene triangles, second is isosceles triangle and third is equilateral triangle. Let's discuss all of them. First is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which none of the sides are equal to each other. Suppose I'm taking any example, triangle XYZ. This is any triangle XYZ. This is scalene if none of them side is not equal to each other, like XY is not equal to YZ is not equal to ZX. Okay, here none of the sides are equal to each other. Now second is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 sides are equal to each other. Suppose I'm going to take an example of isosceles triangle. Suppose this is triangle PQR. This triangle is going to be isosceles if 2 of sides are equal to each other. Here we suppose side PQ is equal to PR, then this is a isosceles triangle, means PQ is equal to PR. For isosceles triangle, 2 sides must be equal to each other. And at last, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are equal to each other. So suppose I'm going to take this is a equilateral triangle A, B and C. This is going to be equilateral if all the sides are equal to each other, means side AB is equal to BC and it is equal to CA. What we can write? Side AB is equal to side BC is equal to CA. So these are the three types of triangle on the basis of sides. Now we are going to discuss the second part, classification of triangle based on the angles. It is also divided into three types on the basis of angles. It is acute angle triangle, second is obtuse angle triangle and third is right angle triangle. First, acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all angles of a triangle is acute angle. Acute angle means the angle must be in between 0 to 19. Suppose I am going to take any example of acute angle triangle. Suppose this is a acute angle triangle A, B, C. Here the all angle must be a acute angle, means angle must be all the angles must be between 0 to 90 degree. Now second is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle must be greater than 90 degree or less than 180 degree, means one angle must be a obtuse angle. Now suppose I am taking an example of obtuse angle triangles. Suppose this is a triangle X, Y, Z. So here one angle must be a obtuse angle. Suppose Y is obtuse angle, means angle Y is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this is a obtuse triangle. And at last, right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle must be 90 degree angle. So suppose I am taking an example of right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle PQR. In this angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So what we can see, angle Q must be equal to 90 degree. So first part is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, all angle must be acute angle. Second is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle must be an obtuse angle, and a right angle triangle, in right angle triangle one angle must be 90 degree. Okay, now next topic is median of a triangle. What is median of a triangle? Median of a triangle, a line segment joining by the midpoint of any side to the opposite vertex of the triangle is called the median of that triangle. Okay, suppose I am going to take any example. This is any triangle A, B, C. Now I am going to take any midpoint of side AB, BC. Suppose it is P. Midpoint of BC is P. If I am joining the A with P, then this is a median of this triangle. Same way, if I am taking a midpoint of AC, it is, suppose it is Q, then if I join vertex B with Q, then it is also a median of this triangle. Same way, if I take midpoint of side AB, suppose it is R, if I am join this R with vertex C, then this is also a median of this triangle ABC. So what we notice that the number of median of this triangle ABC is 3. The name of these medians are AP, BQ and CR. So let's discuss again what is a median. Median is a line segment joining by the midpoint of any side to the opposite vertex of that triangle, that side is called the median. Or last topic of this video is altitude of a triangle. So how can we define altitude of a triangle? It is a line segment from the vertex of the triangle and perpendicular on the line containing the opposite sides. Now I am going to explain altitude of a triangle by the help of an example. Suppose I am going to take any triangle X, Y and Z. So this is a triangle. I am going to draw a perpendicular line from any vertex. Suppose it is X. Suppose this is a perpendicular line from vertex X and it cut the YZ axis at the point P. Means XP is altitude of this triangle. We can also draw many more, two more altitudes from the vertex Y and Z. Suppose I am going to draw an altitude line from the vertex Y, then I am going to draw a perpendicular line on the side XZ. So same way, if I want to draw an altitude or altitude from the vertex Z, then I am going to draw a perpendicular line from the vertex Z on the side XY. Suppose, so what we can see that there are three altitude of the triangle, that is XP, YQ and ZR. So number of altitude for any triangle is 3. And we can also call this altitude as the height of the triangle from vertex. Okay, that's all for this video. In next class we're going to discuss some more properties of triangle. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you.